Hey, how's it going, everybody? I hope you all have been having a great day because I'm feeling good today. It's just one of those days, you know? I'm gonna go over how to sidechain something in Ableton Live 9 very quickly. Let's get into it. So to start off, we have this simple chord progression in Serum, and we have this 4/4 kick that we have on this kick track. To sidechain something, what you want to do is you put the glue compressor on the track that you're trying to sidechain. In this instance, we're trying to sidetrack this Serum track, so I put the glue compressor on this track. Once you put the glue compressor on it, you're going to want to hit this little flyout button. When you hit that, a little sidechain button pops up. Hit that sidechain button. After that, you're going to want to change this audio from section to the kick that's on your track. For this instance, it's this track right here, kick. Once you do that, you're going to want to pull your threshold back. Pull it to about the halfway mark, that way you can hear it. Whenever you pull this back, this needle's going to move more. That's just essentially how much that it's turning the volume up and down and giving it that pump effect. You're going to want to play with the threshold, release, and the attack knobs in real time while you're listening to it. Check it out. I think I like it somewhere right there. Alright guys, that's about it. I hope you learned something. If you haven't already, give us a like, comment, or subscribe. Peace.